This structure is called passive. You must understand how to change these sentences to passive. As I told you before, you must divide the sentence to subject, verb, object, then answer. Let's show you how to work in this material. Just a moment until I open the worksheet on the passive. Look here. Look at me. Passive, this is the meaning of the word passive, and here is the meaning of the word active. Look, as you know, all the sentences contain subject, verb, object. We must change the sentences to object, verb to be plus past participle, verb 3, then by, then subject. Okay, when the simple present is contained in the sentence, we must include the helping verbs is or are for the simple present verbs. Okay, look at the sentence. Ali eats apples. All right, here the verb contains is. The girls eat apples. Verb without s. So the verbs with s or without s, we add is or are. Okay, look here. How to change the sentence? Apples are eaten by Ali. How to change the sentence? Look here. You must include apples, which is the object. Apples are eaten by Ali. Okay, why? Because here is, as I told you before, 1, Ali is 1, eats is 2, and apples is 3. Alright, how to change these sentences? These are the numbers to be able to understand the structure. We put 3, then 2, then 1. What are they? These are the numbers. Here are the numbers. We change the numbers from 1 to 3 to 3 to 1. So, first of all, you divide the sentence to 1, 2, then 3. Then change the sentence to 3, 2, 1. 3 is the object, 2 is the verb, and 1 is the subject plus by. When you add the subject, you must add by. Clear? Okay. Now, if you change the sentence, you must include what? The verb plus, which is verb 3. Okay. Verb 3 or past participle. Why do we add are, not is? Because apples is a plural. Okay, next. The girls eat apples. How to do? Change the, first of all, divide the sentence. Here, 1, 2, then 3. 1, 2, 3. Change it to what? You must change it to 3, 3, then 2. Change it to 3, 2, 1. Okay. What will be the first of the sentence, or at the beginning of the sentence? We will add apples, which is the object, and it is a plural. So I don't know what to add. We will add are. Why? Because apples is a plural. Are eaten by whom? By the girls. See? Look here. Here is the passive sentence. As I told you, it contains 3, 2, 1. Okay, so 1 is the girls, eat is 2, 3 is the apples. Subject, verb, object. It becomes object, verb, subject. Clear? Okay. Now, let's take the next example. Here in the next example, we have they build houses. Build is simple present. When the verb is simply present, is or without s, we add is or are. Then verb 3. Then we add verb 3. Okay. Subject, verb, object, which is one. Which is one. Okay. One, 2, and 3. Clear? How to change it? We will change it to 3, 2, 1. يلا let's go. 3, 2, 1. Clear? Okay. هلا they is subject, build is verb, houses is object. How to change it? Houses are built by them. From where did we bring the word them? It is a pronoun. As you know, we change the subject pronouns to object pronouns. Okay? This is the second step that we will talk about. The subject pronoun is changed to object pronoun. Take it. I is changed to me. They is changed to them. You is kept you. We, us. He, him. She, her. And it is it. Without any change. Okay? Now, if the verb changed to verb 3, we add are because houses is a plural. Clear? Okay. Now, we will talk about the verb when it is in the past. When the verb is verb 2, we take the helping verbs, the verbs to be in the past was or were, as what? As the plural noun, as the plural object, or the singular object. Take the best one. Clear? Okay. Go to the next example. You are not included to study. You are not required to study the future tenses. You are only required to study simple present and simple past. Okay. Now let's take another structure. Structure number 2. Structure number 2 is a question tag. Okay, let's stop here. I ate apples. It is changed to apples were eaten by me. Why? Because ate is verb 2. It's changed to were. When the verb in the past, we use past helping verbs. Clear? Okay. I will answer an exercise for you. Engineers build houses. And the next example is engineers built houses. A house. Here we can find the differences between all the structures that we have studied. Okay, let's answer. The first one. We divide the sentence to 1, 2, and 3. Now we will take 3, 2, 1. What is number 3? Houses. It becomes capital letter, houses. Houses. Look at the verb build is in simple present. Because it is a simple present verb, we put is or are. But because here we have plural houses, plural noun, we add are. Are built by engineers. Okay. Take the next one. The next example is in the past. Engineers built a house. A house is singular, okay? Now, first of all, divide the sentence to subject, verb, object. then take the object. The object is a house. Then built by engineers. Clear? Okay. Now the next structure. Question tag. Question tag. It contains of two parts. The first part is a statement, is a true statement. The second part is a question about the true statement. If the first part includes not, the second part doesn't include not. So one of the parts include not. Okay, not all the parts include not. If we have the first part with not, the second part mustn't include not. Let's take it. Not only in one part. Not only in one part. جزء واحد من الجملة يحتوي على not. ممنوع بالجزئين. إذا احتوى الجزء الأول على not، الجزء الثاني ممنوع يحتوي على not. Okay. Sarah is clever. Isn't she? She isn't she? What is the correct answer? The correct answer is isn't she. Why? Let's take it. Sarah, we write the pronoun instead. She is without not. So we write be at the beginning, then not, then she. Okay? is. هلا بلغة الأرقام يعني بدنا نحكي سارة is number 1. Look here. Sarah is number 1. B is number 2. What happened? 2 then 1. Okay, when we change the sentence it's become 2 then 1. how is كان ثاني إشي راح يصير في الأول. ما في not صار في not. سارة بتتعوض في الضمير شي. Okay, mom works very hard. How to answer this sentence? Look here. Mom is number 1. Okay, works is number 2. How to change it? Mom takes pronoun she. Works takes the pronoun does. Now we don't have not in the first statement. We add not. Then change it. She number 2 or doesn't number 1. How to answer the question tag? Here we fill in the blank space with doesn't she. ماشي. Okay. هلا Rami and Yusuf aren't working at the moment. How to change this sentence? Look here. Rami and Yusuf both take they because they are plural. Aren't with not. So it's included with are. Now how to change it? We will use are they after the comma. Must be after the comma as you see. Okay, you don't like shopping, do you? Why? Because we change you, it becomes at the end of the sentence. Do becomes at the beginning. Clear? Okay. Now let's take the last structure. Last structure is called zero condition. Zero conditional. Zero conditional. If a clause type 0 أو zero type, it includes the simple present tense. what do I mean with simple present tense? I mean he, she, she, it, with s, I, we, they, you, without s. Okay, let's go. If it rains, if it blank space rain I wear my jacket. How to answer it? We use if clause type 0 or 0 type for scientific facts, and we use it for things that always happens. If it rain, it becomes rains because it is simple present and it takes s. So if it rains, I wear, we will not change the word or the verb wear. Okay, thank you. Excellent. Now we'll see the next structure. Okay, in the next structure you will study about writing the past participle as an adjective. The boy was crying. He was lost. It becomes the lost boy was crying. This structure is very important for your final exam. How to write the sentence? Now you will look up the noun. The main noun here is the word boy. So copy the sentences the same. Just cross he and cross was. To write what? The lost boy was crying. Okay? Next. In the next sentence. In the next example, the thieves had the car. It was stolen. Where is the noun? Where is the main noun here? The main noun here is the thieves. Because it is the main noun, you will copy all the sentence, just cross it and was. The thieves had the stolen car. You will take verb 3 and put it before the noun. Okay, because the word stolen is an adjective for the car. It becomes the thieves had the stolen car. Okay, the man smiled happily. He was rescued. The man is the noun. Rescued is the adjective for the word man. So the rescued man smiled happily. Because the word rescued is an adjective for the word man. Next, Mom looked at the cakes. They were burned. Mom looked at the burned cakes. Burned is an adjective for the word cakes. Okay? Thank you. Now, look here at these words. A prefix here is very, very important for you. Prefix pre means what? Something happens before. It is very, very important for your final exam. Okay? So if you begin from the beginning, you will find that these pages are very important. This is an important exercise. Next, go to the next exercise is very important for you. Please check and study again. Here, this exercise is important. This exercise is important. Here, this exercise is important. Here, this exercise is important, which is about if clause type 0. We use it in the simple present, as I told you, for scientific facts. It's very important exercise. Go with me. Here, this page is very important. It's about quantifiers, a few, a little, few, and a little, a lot of, and many. These exercises are very important, as I explained in your class. A lot of is good for the word glass, because glass is uncountable. It takes a lot of, not many. Many is for waitresses, because waitresses can be counted, so we call it countable. Some stairs is a countable word. For that we use some. Lots of clothes is countable word. For that we use lots of. And you already have got a worksheet for countable and uncountable. This worksheet is very clear for you, which tells you what are the quantifiers for the countable and uncountable. And here, as I told you, that these nouns are countable and uncountable nouns. And this worksheet is available in your files, and you can study it again and look at it again. Here we use the word any for the negative form with not. Any is used for not and for questions. Okay, go with me to now. Go with me to unit 9. What are the most important here for you in unit 9? Open your pupils box with me. This page is very important. This page is not important at all. We didn't explain it. Here, all these questions are important for your exam. All these are very important for you in your exam. Go to the next page. These are very important for you. This exercise is very important. Here this note is very important. يا سابع. Okay, go with me. These are very important for you, as I explained before. Now you can open with me your workbox. In your workbox, if you open from the beginning of this unit, you can find this exercise is very important, as I explained it to you in your lesson. These exercises are very important for you, and here are the answers. This exercise is very important. It is about passive. Change sentences from active to passive, as the structure 1 to 3 change to 3 to 1 if the verb in simple present take is or are, and if the verb in simple past take was or were. This structure is a question tag, which is very important. As I told you, the word market is changed to the pronoun. Then look if it includes not. The next part doesn't include not. If here we don't have not, we use here not. And it can be changed to from 1 to 1. These exercises are important. The verb which includes s takes does. The verb which includes verb without s, it includes do. If the verb in the past, it includes did. I am here for any question. You can ring me and ask me if you don't understand something. Again, the market changed to pronoun. It is comes at the beginning of the question tag. ويعطيكم العافية.